This cherry pie has a crisp crust and juicy cherry filling. Let me show you a simple way to make this beautiful pattern and no-fail filling that never runs. In a mixer, combine the dry ingredients: flour, powdered sugar, baking powder and salt. Add cold butter cut into cubes and start mixing with the paddle attachment. For this type of pie crust, it is important to use cold butter because it helps create the proper crisp texture after baking. Once the mixture reaches a sandy consistency, add an egg and sour cream. Continue mixing until the dough comes together. Shape the dough into a ball or disc, cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. In a bowl, whisk together sugar and cornstarch. The starch stabilizes the filling, so it stays thick and the pie keeps its shape after cutting. Transfer frozen cherries to a saucepan and place over medium heat. Add the sugar and starch mixture in parts, stirring constantly. At first, the mixture will look cloudy, but as it heats and thickens, it becomes clear, glossy and smooth. Once it reaches this bright color and thick texture, remove it from the heat. You can also add a few drops of almond flavor if you wish. Almond enhances the cherry flavor. Prepare the baking form by buttering it and preheat the oven. Set the form aside while we prepare the dough. Take half of the dough and keep the rest wrapped in the fridge. Start rolling the dough. It should be slightly larger than your baking form, about half a centimeter thick. Here is a simple trick to transfer the dough into the form. Roll it onto the rolling pin and then unroll it over the form. Gently adjust the dough, making sure it sits tightly in the form. Trim the extra dough on the sides and save it for the lattice top. The final height of the pie will be defined by the filling. Roll the second half of the dough together with the leftovers. This time make it slightly thicker, about 1 centimeter. Cut it into 1 centimeter wide strips and transfer them onto a rug or a plate. Pour the cherry filling into the form and spread it evenly, making sure there are no gaps. My form is quite high, so I trim the extra dough on the sides. Let's move on to the fun part, weaving. Start with the middle vertical strip, then add the rest to the left and right, keeping equal distance between them. Fold back every second strip halfway from the center and place the first horizontal strip across. Lay the folded strips back, then fold the other ones and place the next horizontal strip. Repeat the same pattern until you reach the edge. Once one half is finished, rotate the pie and repeat the same steps on the other side. Trim the overhanging ends to make the pie neat and even. For brushing, mix cream or milk with half an egg. Using a brush, carefully coat the dough, avoiding the filling. Sprinkle the top lightly with sugar and bake for 30 to 40 minutes until golden. And just like that, our delicious pie is ready. If watching Twin Peaks also put you in the mood for cherry pie, let me know with a thumbs up. This pie goes perfectly with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. For the full recipe, please check the description box below.